Well, Franny, you weren't out first.
And now, I'm a raring, tearing wizard when it comes to cutting up. I can graft a chicken's gizzard on the wishbone of a pup. And here's the great experiment I'm just about to tackle to find out if the net result will bark or crow or cackle.
I think I just wrote a fucking hit. I was really just about to quit. I get so discouraged when I'm stressed, trying to be better than the
Let me turn this down. There we go. Howdy, folks. Here I am. Hi. Let's say in order.
Give me some ganja. Get these motherfuckers. Pot is ruining America.
Thanks for getting the skeletons in the chat, Franny. Congratulations on getting first, Bullet Reaper. Bullet was out first, which makes everyone else. Hello, Franny. Hello, Heather. Hello, Baronade. I don't think that cartoon was racist. Oh, I don't think that cartoon was racist at all. Hold on, let me get a sip of tea. There's a frog in my throat. All right, let me read off chat in Kermit's voice, and then when we catch up with chat, I'll stop doing Kermit's voice. Franny said, how was I not first? Cry, cry, cry. I said, get good. Heather said she doesn't even try anymore, which is sad, but Bullet is good at getting first. Bullet's right on target. Pew. Not Pluto. Oh, no. Sorry, Mickey. My dad, the Grim Reaper, took your dog. His time has come. Wow, how racist can a cartoon get? This is Mickey Mouse Castlevania. All the toothless dances? I like the toothless dance. Do you follow Franny? Franny has a toothless dance reward. I was hoping to see him get sawed in half, not tonight. Oh, hi, Spikey! Call Me Dogs. Can we get a shout out for Call Me Dogs? Dogs says, if I buy you a mustache septum piercing, will you dress up with me to a charity gala? We both wear the mustaches and then we pretend like nothing is wrong? I feel like we could do that. I already have a mustache, but... Wait, what is a mustache septum piercing? So it's a mustache over my mustache. Thank you, Franny. Here you am, hell yeah. Hello, hello, hello. Hello? Miss Piggy, when's it gonna be my turn? That's the best part. It's a piece of jewelry that looks like a mustache. Stashception. Call me dogs, BTW. Did I not say dogs? Dogs. All right, the frog has cleared out of my throat. Call me Blondie. Will do, Blondie. Hey! All right, let's get into the game. Oh, everyone calls me Call Me Dogs. Well, you said Call Me Dogs. Call me dogs. Don't call me dogs. Call me dogs. Oh, no. I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see any. Oh, no, it's back. All right, let's get over here. Hello? What kind of tea? It's ginger tea. It's good for your throat. Let me put What kind of light should I put on? Hold on. It's very, very low light conditions. Point that at me. There we go. We've got some low light conditions here. I just spent all my points to make the entire stream Kermit. I definitely cannot do that the entire stream. That might end up being shut off or refunded. Their hearts were filled with fear, but their hands would be willing, and their eyes would see the glory of Kingdom Come. Oh, fuck! I forgot about this! You never fucking heard Kermit curse, okay? Don't clip this! Don't send this to the Walt Disney Company! Ah! I'll do Kermit until I die! Ah! I don't like it in here. Stay away from me, please. I don't like it in here at all. I don't remember how to play this game. Oh! No, I'm not! No! Stay away from me! You're bleeding. You need to find bandages. Fuck off! No! I don't like it out here. No! That's what it looks like when Kermit dies. Okay. You sip my tea. I want some chai in my life. Extra cinnamon. Extra cinnamon and nutmeg. Nutmeg. I hardly know Meg. Get out of here. I don't remember how to play this game. How's the volume? How's my volume compared to the game's volume? Also, I'm not upstairs, and you can't prove that I am. Oh, I have to hold the button to hide. No, you don't see me. You don't see me. You're not coming through there. You don't see me. No, I'm not. Leave me alone. I don't know where to go. Oh boy, I'm having a horrible time, pal. I don't like it out here. Oh boy. No, you don't got me. I'm hiding under the stairs. Oh, I don't like it here at all. Oh, I can hear you clearly, pal. That's good. Streak for Kermit. Okay, here we go. Oh! Oh boy. This is what Michael Theodore Mouse sounds like when he's extremely stressed. You usually don't get to hear him like this because he's a happy boy. I mean, I'm a happy boy because I'm Michael Theodore Mouse. Let me in the house! God damn it! I don't know where to go. Ah! I'm gonna die. How do I get in here? Open the door! Ah! I don't know what to do. You're bleeding. You need to find bandages. If only I remembered the use bandages button. This is where I came from, though. I guess I'll die. I don't remember how to use bandages. I remember how to use batteries. I don't remember how to use bandages. I feel like I wasn't going the right way. You can't fight back in this game. That's what makes it stressful. I mean, I'm literally in, like, guess I die mode. If you do exclamation point clip, you might get exclamation point clips. I'm having, yeah. Why consume? Oh, are they cannibals? It auto-saved me at a really terrible point. I'm just gonna go ahead and say that. I don't love where it auto-saved me. Well, they said in the beginning of the game, here's their excuse. They said, we're not fighters. That's what they said. Okay, he's upstairs, so if I hide, like... Yeah, hide under the bed. Under the bed! Under the goddamn! Fuck. Am I hidden at all?
No. Well, I actually really don't know how I'm supposed to survive here. Just kill me. It's a little loud. Just kill me. Like, just fucking kill me, bro. I'm not having a good time here. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright. What is a Moravian? I clipped the first one where you said not to clip. Don't send this to Walter Ted Disney the Third. What if I just like... fine. Wait, can I close the door behind this person? Not anymore. I'm having a straight up awful time. So I do feel like this is the right move. And maybe I'm just supposed to, excuse me. Maybe I'm just supposed to like outrun them? Well, that's terrible. No, you don't got me. You don't got me. So I'm going back to the same place I went before. This, I was struggling here. I don't want to be stuck in the same part of the game forever. Oh, so they're like Quakers? I can't open this door. I can't open that door. I can't open that door. Where can I go? Is this where I came from? Yeah. I'm gonna lead him in a circle. Ah! Dead by Daylight moment. Imagine if this game had a map. Imagine if you could pick up a map and look at the map. Was that a window? Oh, it might have been. Can I go through windows in this game? This game has a lot of mechanics, I'll say that. This game has a lot of stuff to remember how to do it. Stay away from me. Okay. He didn't listen. Yeah, that's okay. He didn't listen. Okay, close this door behind me. Let them break in, I guess, because there's nothing I can do about that. Now, if I go upstairs, can I hide under one of these beds? I probably can't. So where can I go? If I hide here, will they still come for me? A lot of mechanics, not a lot of cars. I wish. Cars too. Ka-chow. Are you coming? Okay, leave me alone. Can I hide anywhere? It feels like the action is being driven forward this way. And then there's people who show up here. And then there's this fucker. Ah! Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Your teeth are ugly. Stay away. I feel like I am being driven in this direction. I don't know what to do. You're bleeding. You need to find bandages. Thanks. Hey, if anybody wants to backseat who's played this game before, I wouldn't be like, don't do that. Franny said something about a window. Come to my window. I would love to. Can I go through there? I don't think I can go through that window, Franny. I might just die. Because why is this door here if I can't go in it? Why put a door there? Why tease me with a door I can't use? And I don't remember. Hold on. There, a window. Well, I see that there's a window, but I can't go into it. And it's boarded up. I can't go through that window. The one that I was just looking at? Behind you? What do you mean behind me?
Huh?
What? Okay. Anybody else? Can anybody else verify that I'm missing something? Okay, can't go through this because it's boarded up. Can't go through that because it's boarded up. Can't go through that because it's boarded up. There's a massive light coming through a window. Can I hide under this bed? Fuck. Okay, no. Get up, get up. Get your baby ass up. I'm so disoriented now. Okay, get out this way. Ah. Now, someone's gonna come through this way. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So, vault over this. And then I run this way, and then... Can I go in here? No. And then this guy shows up over here, so I can't run past him. Okay, Franny. Can you... No! No! That's illegal. How are you allowed to do that? What, you can just pull me by my ankles? That's not part of the rules. I'm telling Mom.
Huh?
I know he's in the house. Leave me alone. Why'd they board up the door? Why'd they board up the door? Okay, so... I'm gonna try to world record this. Ready? I feel like this is really the way to go, because this game is very linear, and this game really ultimately does a lot of times only give you one way to move forward. So if I'm doing the wrong thing, I've been doing the wrong thing. So here we go. Here we go. So now Franny says there's a window. Franny says there's a window. Franny says there's a window. Oh, I beeline for that hole, all right. So here's a little pitchfork. That's fine. Which tells me that there's somebody in the place right above here. Oh, that window. But I can't get to it.
Huh?
What window? What are you talking about? Where? Oh, now what do I do? Now what do I do? Now what do I do? Now what the fuck do I do? Hey, imagine if there was a window for me to go through. Thank you, Franny. Now what? Okay, now I can hide under this bed. Turn my camera off. Now, how do I use bandage? How do I use bandage? Apply bandage. H for health. H for bandage. You have no bandages. Thanks for the clip, Franny. Certified game. What? That's not Game Bro. Now you have to play Sonic 06. I'm the old Franny. I have to play Sonic 06. Don't I have like a...
Chapel's
yeah.
gotta be close.
So I've got 2 batteries and no bandages. That's good. Hey, I made it though. I made it though. I made it though. Oh, I don't want to hide in here. I may as well. We really went all action right from the beginning there, didn't we? It's my favorite. It's the Penguin. Watch the Penguin now on HBO Max. Ooh, yummy medicine. I only know Aliens Colonial Marines, the game that had its resources siphoned off so Gearbox could make Borderlands 2. Here's my water. Oh, what's the Satan stuff here? Satanas inimical die. It's like Jesus, but with goat heads. I'm sure that's fine. What's up, Creep? Can we get a shout out for Creep Twin, please? Oh, that light is cool. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Have a good one. If you can tab people up, tab up the Creep Twin. You probably should have played that for Scare Toblerone? Huh?
Huh?
What the fuck is this? Oh, what the fuck is this? Don't be afraid. You're going to heaven.
Huh? 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 Huh?
I don't like that at all. Oh.
What the fuck?
No, we can't pay attention to that. Gotta watch my replay.
God. Before they killed the children, you should have loved me. What am I doing?
Uh-oh. This guy's starting to scare me. This guy, what's his name? Blake Henderson? Blake Lillystein? What the fuck is this guy's name? Blake Adams? Blake Lively? This game has good graphics. You know how usually I don't give a fuck about graphics? This game has good graphics. Because it's like a first-person game where you have a limited scope of where to go and what to do, probably. They can really maximize the graphics. Look, it's Jesus. Jesus count. What should we do? Every time we see Jesus, should we...
Give me some ganja!
Give me some ganja? Okay, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry to the Lord. I'm going to be a t-shirt from the mall. God made man... Wait, no. God made man... God made weed, man... What is it? God made weed, man made beer, God is good. I'm trying to remember what those shirts say. Does anybody know what the fuck I'm talking about? Aim. The children should not fear their duty, but celebrate it as a guaranteed entrance to heaven. Oh, this is giving me Jonestown vibes, derogatory. I mean, is there any other... Why would I say derogatory? Is there any other way to... Well, it's a good stream. See you next time. Take a shot of clear 180 proof. I don't drink. I thought we knew this. Also, should I put the game on full screen? On the full screen because this game has good graphics? Should I go here? Should I go over here? No, but then it covers up some of the screen. What do we think? Where's the game? Yes. Thanks, Franny. Aim. It's not showing up. There we go. The children should not fear their duty, but celebrate it as a guaranteed entrance to heaven. Remember, there is no pain in heaven. Papa gave you life, and so your life is his. God gave you life, and so your life is his. So are Papa and God like what's going on there if they both gave you life? You may not know that you are yourself the enemy. Oh, I'm the devil. Well, that's not good. Now I'm getting Catholicism vibes. Your fear is a tool of the enemy. God knows best. Engage/study. The whale saved Jonah from drowning. It wasn't a whale. Oh my God, I can give my favorite biblical fact ever. Jonah was not swallowed by a whale. Jonah was swallowed by a real big fish. Fact, Bible fact. Wasn't a whale. Whales are mammals. He got swallowed by a real big fish. It's right there. Whales. Real big fish. Real big fish. Become hip. Become a PNG tuber. I'll just put a fucking thing of Kermit up on the screen. PNG tuber of Danny DeVito. I'm the trash man. I come out. I throw trash all over the ring. In the words of Green Day, gotta. That was such a good album, and that as a lead single was such a bum-ass song. What was going on there? There's facts in those books. I mean, it's a fact about the story that it was a fish and not a whale. There are actually like a lot of health tips for the time in the Bible. Like, 2 loaves of bread and 5 fish can go a long way. All right, let's move on. Let's move on. No politics or religion. Anyway, Jesus in the desert with Satan. No politics or religion, please. Abraham killed Isaac in his heart. Wait, that's not what happened in the story. Abraham killed Isaac in his heart. Oh, I get it. Then these people are misinterpreting scripture. Come on, Marsh. Put one and one together. Jesus in the desert with Satan. If you're not familiar with the Bible, Jesus was in the desert for 40 days without food or water, and he survived because he's Jesus. But Satan kept tempting him, and he kept resisting Satan's temptation. project. Draw angels. Who could be the enemy? Oh, they're asking... Ugh, man, this bums me out. All right, let's get out of here. Welcome, Jukebox. Can we get a shout out for Jukebox Arcade, please? Have you played this game before? How was Signalis? I was lurking. That game looks interesting. I didn't have anything to say about it, but it does look interesting. Satan, come on. It's called anime. You'll love it. You want to watch my stepsister gets isekai'd into my video game MMO harem. Yes, it's for children. Did you, in fact, outlast? Marsh hosts Bible study. Okay, we're going to study my favorite verse, okay? Jesus wept. Thank you. Have a good night. Cookies in the back. No politics or religion, please. That's going to be the title of the next Outlast stream. I think that's so... Oh, I fell off the roof. How'd that happen? Oh, am I bleeding? Do I need to find bandages? Why? Because I fell off the roof? Come on. My dad fell off the roof when I was a kid and he was fine. That didn't really happen. That's funny. Yahtzee. You did not outlast. Did you fall off or did you dance off?
Get over there.
I pantsed off.
Fence. Okay, climb that. Just need something to stand on.
I like that Blake is getting increasingly unhinged. Pick it up. Pick it up. Mommy, Miss Carson said I could not tell you what they're oh, right. I forgot we got the... We're supposed to be in Arizona, but everybody has like sort of like southern accents. Who made this game? Europeans? Probably. Europeans make great horror games. Did I miss anyone's chat? How's your evening doing, Jukebox? One time Jesus sicked 50 bears on a couple of kids for taunting a man for being bald. I don't think that's in the Bible. I don't think most of those words are in the Bible. Mommy. 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 What was that? What was that? I think I was just possessed by some kind of enemy. What was that? Mommy? What was that? Mommy? What? How do they say mommy? Mommy, Miss Carson said I could not tell you what they're gonna do, but she did not say I could not write it, so please do not let them kill me. I love you and I love Daddy. Juliana. Well, it's got a little teddy bear. I don't like it. I don't like it here in Outlast anymore. I wanna un-outlast. I wanna So Mr. Swears a Lot says he can climb over the fence. So if we push the cart, maybe no. Okay. If we push the cart the other way, French Canadian. Well, no wonder they think people from Arizona talk like this. I don't want to play with you. I don't want to play with you at all. No. No. No, actually, I really don't. I'll pass. 2 Kings? Is Jesus in the Book of Kings? I like how they have blood on the fence to be like, oh, well, you can climb this, but you might not survive. Okay, so... Where am I? In Nightmare World. This isn't real. This isn't real. Go, you bald head. The Bible's some funny shit. How do I, like, not get seen by this person? They do have a whole book of the Bible about fucking. Why don't we talk about that? There's a school here. Is that where I just came from? Okay, well, I guess I survived. Though I'm gonna have to reload my batteries soon. I'm not stressed. I've never been stressed out by anything ever. Also, all the environments around here look the same. It disorients me, and that's probably on purpose. Oh, what the fuck is... Nothing, okay. Oh, I don't like it here anymore. I want to go home. I want to go home to my wife, who I don't even remember where she is. Oh, she has the devil spawn inside of her. That's right. She has the Antichrist inside of her. How could I forget? My wife is the mother of the Antichrist, who may or may not be my child. Oh my God, I am heartfully sorry for having offended the prophet, and I detest those sins because I have offended thee, my Lord, who is all good and deserving of my love. I deserve and cherish thy punishment, and invite more until the occasion that I am able by thy grace and the grace of the prophet Noth to sin no more. Not interested in what kind of punishment goes on here. Just gonna untickle my intellectual curiosity there. I mean, the Bible as, like, mythology has a lot of interesting tales, for certain. Bandage. Family, 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 family. I like how it's just he keeps getting cut on that one arm. It's like, as long as I bandage up my one cut, I'll be fine. Catch you later, Baronade. Oh, these houses have blood on their door. Like speaking of the Bible, it's like that one part, that thing from Rugrats. What's that? Passover. I'm being a little stinker. Hey, Inri.
Give me some ganja.
There's some actual oh, well, yeah. Listen, I know the Bible. I may not know it front and back, but I'm aware of it. I have a keen awareness of the Bible and its contents. For example, INRI, that stands for something. Yeah, I'm smart. This is where I came in, isn't it? Have I gone in a circle? Fuck. Oh, I'm wasting all my fucking camera batteries. Oh, I'm having a horrible time here. And I don't even need to use them, apparently. Oh, fuck. Are you mad at me? Oh, and there's health over here. And a battery. Chapter 10. Oh, hold on. This is a new scripture, isn't it? Hold on. Noth's Gospel. What's this? Oh no. Okay, we got that one. I've missed a lot of lore. So hold on. There's New Gospels Part 1, New Gospels Part 2. Is this New Gospels Part 3? No. Temple Act. No, this is Noth's Gospel Chapter 10. Then God showed me the work that was to be forged upon the anvil of Temple Gate, a blade honed even to cut the throat of the spider-eyed lamb. And I gathered my disciples from the land of Al-Barkuk and the town of Holy Faith, and from among the impotent apocalyptans in Los Alamos. Is that Texas? Or is that actually in Arizona? All the time pursued by publicans. I assume that's politicians, because in Arizona, the politicians are Republican. All the time pursued by publicans and their tax collectors. No politics or religion, please. Hounded and harried, moving as we grew, a tribe born wandering in no man's desert. The Lord gave to Ezekiel more wives than brothers, though I turned away none, neither thief, whore, rapist, addict, murderer, pedophile, cripple. I would turn away pedophiles. I'm sorry. And I asked the Lord for guidance of the temptations of many wives. My wife. I asked the Lord for guidance of the temptations of many wives, and a voice of strong wine spoke. Know ye not Abraham, Jacob, David, and Solomon? It is simply commanded that you take no woman as rival to her sister. Do not uncover one's nakedness while the other is alive, nor take your daughters. Oh, I don't like this. I don't like what they're doing here. I don't like what they're cooking up. And of your wives and daughters, you will have your greatest warriors in wimples with weapons that censor, and it shall be yours to multiply, to make children upon a legion of women, and children upon those children, and upon those children, until your line is a nation. For from your nation the enemy shall emerge. Wait, do they want Satan? I feel like they might, this might be a satanic cult. I think I might be getting some signs that they want the Antichrist to come. Also, do you... I guess I'm gonna leave you alone. That's none of my business. Pro tip, always check to see if you use the batteries. This game goes super dark to oddly lit. Yeah, you're right. Oh, right, there's the cart somewhere. The cart's overturned. Oh, the horse is dead. Okay, that's bad. Everyone on the orgy pod. No, it's I wouldn't count. I mean, I wouldn't be. Listen. Miss me at the satanic orgy, okay? Tell me how it went. Not interested. Okay, you made a blood pact with the new gods. It's so good for you. I'm good. I'm good on it. No thanks. No? Why are you here? Oh, did I do something bad? I'm sorry I wasn't paying attention. I didn't mean to bump you, scary lady, with the cart, and it probably hurt you maybe a little bit. I'm so sorry. Let me get in the barrel. Don't come to the pile. I won't be coming to anybody's pile, okay? They had unholy biscuits with penta gravy? Is that a pun of some kind? Did anybody watch Silicon Valley? HBO? The home of box office? It's not TV. It's HG, whatever. I don't fucking... Alright, let's get out of here. With TJ Miller, he got fired fucking midway through the 4th season. So I don't know. I don't think about that show as with TJ Miller. He sure was on it though. The sad part is he was funny on that show. It's like, I'm not about to be like, oh, he sucked on that show. He dragged that show down. He was good on that show. He's just a shitty person. I forgot. But no, I'm thinking about an episode with Guilfoyle, who was played by... Ah, leave me alone. I wasn't even bothering you this time, lady. No, I'm not a whore. No. I'm a good boy. I mean, good boys can be whores. Let me not make a dichotomy. Good, you know. Penta gravy is just gravy made with 5 other gravies. Well then. I'm just trying to push the cart, Satan lady. Please leave me alone. Be nice to me. I'm sorry that you're trying to bring back the Antichrist. No, you didn't even see me. Leave me alone. Gabagool. So there was an episode where Dinesh, Guilfoyle, and he's played by, he was the kid with the big glasses in Freaks and Geeks. He's got a beard now. He takes his friends to a Church of Satan, like, meeting or whatever, and they're all, like, creeped out by it, and they're like, oh, we don't want to go, like, why are you trying to take us to your Satanist thing? And then they go, and the joke is, like, it's just, like, church fellowship. And like I said, the thing about like cookies in the back, like they have all that stuff. They have refreshments. Can you leave me the fuck alone? Lady, you're inconveniencing me. I'm not even scared of you anymore. You're just bothering me. Leave me alone. Like, what's your beef? What is it? Do you want me to believe in God? Do you want me to believe in the devil? What's your deal? Okay. Whatever it is, I'm a believer. Okay. I saw your face. God damn it. Ah. I changed my mind. I'm a little bit scared. Leave me alone. I do not know where the manager is. So how do you make, how many types of gravies are there even that you make 5 gravies? There's sausage gravy, beef gravy, turkey gravy, mushroom gravy. Is chicken gravy a thing? I guess we've already got 5. There you go. Gravy.
Hey.
Hey. My gravy. What kind of gravy do you have, Franny? I'm scared of the answer to this question. I am scared. Are you for real? Are you fucking for real? I'm just annoyed. I'm straight up annoyed. I'm just trying to push the cart, lady. Alone. Fucking rude. Why I gotta be so rude? For a satanic cult, I imagine they're all animal-based. Aren't a lot of satanic people like vegans, though? Not human. Ugh. That's Franny's talking about his human gravy. Had to do it. I had to do it. Couldn't resist. There's the sock. Hello, Dark Assassin. You're here just in time for whatever's going on in chat. I'm trying to push a cart is what's happening in this game right now. Human gravy. Well, yeah, because these people are cannibals. So that's actually relevant to the conversation. This game's about a satanic cult that eats people. They eat their own people, seemingly. Not my mouth watering. I'm talking about eating people. What's going on with that? Now, where's this cart? Can you leave me alone, scary lady? What is her patrol fucking radius? Leave me alone! Leave! I hate this part. I'm officially... Some people struggle with easy parts of games. This is apparently my time to do that. Because I'm straight up struggling. I would like for her to leave. I would like for her to get out. Okay, maybe I like have to like bait her and then time to TJ Miller. Time to call in a bomb threat on an Amtrak train. You actually did that. That really happened. No, leave me alone, leave me alone, leave me alone. You can't catch me if I jump over the fence, right? Probably, maybe. No, fuck you. That's probably scripted to happen.
I don't know what the fuck your god wants from me, lady.
Ha, I made it. Now that doesn't look like Jesus to me. The last time that I was in a church, he didn't look like that. I cursed already as Kermit the Frog even.
H2O.
Thank you, Spiky. Everything's fine. Fine. Baby. Bandage. Perfect. Battery. Now, see, I don't even have to worry. Everything's fine. Nothing bad could possibly happen to me in here. No. No. Close the door behind me. Yeah, let's not think about that. Bandage, bandage. Use the bandage. If you have to bandage your balls, you're in trouble. This music is unsettling. Oh, hey, it's that image I used to promote today's stream. Look. Oh, I can film it. Hold on. Even though it's extremely out of focus. This guy's not a very good cameraman. Aren't they the Dixie cups?
The chapel.
Go into the chapel and we're gonna get married. Go into the chapel and we're gonna get married. Gee, I really love you and we're gonna get married. Going to the chapel of love. Oh, okay, everything's fine. To the Reverend Prophet Sullivan Noth from Laird Byron, as recorded by Nick Tremblay. Thank you for the extra copies of your Gospels. I have gifted them to those among my flock with the brains and eyes still intact, so that they may read, but we are in need of more sacramental, both for drinking in communion and wine. Okay. And for comfort from our pains and disinfection of our sores. My flock complains that you have promised more than you have given, and though I can quite easily control them by the firm tenor of my voice and the heavy fist of my mount, I prefer the gentle path. You are most beloved of God and a holy gift to us all. Laird. Is this Sullivan Noth over here? Why am I so anxious? This wine is white. I never liked white wine. I always preferred red wine. Red wine. Oh! That's a man on a torture device. Okay. Should I film that or Judas? Oh, they must really like Lady Gaga. Okay, we're fine here. We're all little monsters here. This is a confessional booth. We're not beating the Catholicism allegations.
Who's there? Who are you?
Can I help you?
Blake. The outsider.
Oh, you don't have eyes.
The father.
Oh, I don't like that.
Father.
I don't like that at all.
Me. You have to kill me.
Ah, I should just kill him. Okay. How do we kill him?
Noth is coming back. With Mary. He'll hurt her. And
How do we kill him?
talk.
How do we do it?
If you kill me, he won't have reason
Okay.
to hurt her.
How do we kill him?
Please.
How do we kill this guy? Uh-oh. How soon is he coming back? I forgot to close the door behind me. All right, Blake, don't be selfish. Kill this guy. Uh-oh. I think I just saw someone. All right, sorry, dude. I don't have time to kill you. You'll have to watch your girlfriend get tortured. Oh, fuck. 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 All right, I guess we both have to watch your girlfriend get tortured. My bad, bro. I'm really sorry. I don't want to watch this.
We found her, Susanna.
I don't want to watch this at all. Oh, there he is.
Not the actions of a woman unburdened by an immaculate conscience.
Well, how's everybody's week going?
Answer your yoke mate, honey. He can't see you.
Okay, I understand what's happening here. I'm not gonna explain it, but I'm an adult with adult sensibilities, and I understand what's going on here.
Please, tell him I don't.
Let her go.
Oh, we can even peep through the wall. Not that I want to do that. Let's just look over here and not bear witness to whatever's about to happen over here.
So do I.
Okay, there's nobody in the confessional booth, by the way.
Destruction in her womb. But Val and his apostate stole away the unborn enemy. The fiend's father has escaped. She will bear her filthy yield before dawn. We have
I'm so
only
confused.
These few hours to find
They're saying my wife is
Kill her
pregnant, but
and
that she's
save
about
this
to give
paradise
birth?
from hell everlasting.
How could she have been 9 months pregnant?
Where is she? Where did Val take her?
Do they not know? Do Quebecians not know how
This is for
pregnancy
you,
works?
Josiah.
Also, Dark Assassin, I did know
Make the
Life is
woman
Strange is really
scream.
good. I wish I could burst out of here and stop whatever is happening, but I can't.
Where's the woman? The womb that harbors the Antichrist.
Satan babies develop super fast. I guess I never saw Rosemary's Baby. Isn't that the one? So there's some terrible stuff happening. I don't think we can see any of it. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just gonna be chill about this. I'm just gonna be chill and normal. Everything's chill and normal. Nothing is unchill and everything is cool. Nothing bad is happening.
I'm sorry, Mary. I'm so sorry.
Where is the woman?
Are they gonna kill them both?
The mines. Up the mountain. Val has her in the mines.
Oh, they're confessing.
Never get her back. Not before
Well, at least we know where my wife
Alive.
is.
We are the hands of
So this must be the end of this level. Good to be rewarded with a cutscene.
the world dies screaming.
Thank you, Josiah.
Oh, I don't want to watch this. I don't want to watch this. Nope. No, I'll pass. I'm good. I'm good. I'm super good. I'm good on that. I'm good. No. No, I'm good. I'm actually... Yeah, I'm chill. I'm good. Yeah. I'm good. I'll call now. I'm good. Is that the Undertaker? Not like the Undertaker, but like...
Mines. Where the fuck are the mines?
Are they both dead? Oh, that's sad. Chill as a Christian cucumber. We used to have cucumber sandwiches at my church growing up. I actually liked the cucumber and mayonnaise sandwiches. I kind of like that. What does that say about me? That the Rock and the Undertaker, the Rock of my church and the Undertaker of my Undertaker. Oh, she's naked. Okay, well, let's not look at that. TOS. I mean, they're both topless, and his thing says Judas. We're gonna get out of here. They didn't unlock this door. Okay, I mean, I thought they might have. What do I know? They are pretty refreshing in the summer. Yeah. I haven't had, and they would like cut them into like the quarter sandwiches. Yeah. Well, let's just pretend like none of that ever happened. I'm not traumatized. Me being Blake and me being Marsh. Nothing bad has ever happened to me and nothing ever will. I'm fine. Whee! Like, I'm even gonna jump down the stairs like a little boy. Oh, my batteries are about to die. I have one bandage and one battery. I've got to find the mines. Mine? Mine? Is this a clear path now? Did I come from here? I feel like I might have come from here. Okay, I can't go that way. Can't go that way. Do we have to reload the camera? Probably. Yeah, this is where I came from. So I've been in this house. I've got to find the mines. Fine, I'll reload the damn camera. Can I go here? Oh, they cleared the pathway. Okay, this is clear now. So we can go this way. And this is illuminated, so I feel like they want us to go this way. This is like the door from Speak No Evil. Did anybody see that movie? It was pretty good. It wasn't like, oh my god, but it was pretty good. Butter! Taste. Passepire. Oh, they must be fucking French-ass Canadian, because they don't put that shit on peanut butter. Al Saab. Smooth and creamy. Smooth and creamy nut butter. Super fresh Spatlands Farm Natural. Supplement facts. Okay, let's read all the nutrition facts. See again, supplement facts. That's not what it says in America. Calories, 160. Calories from fat, 10. Total fat, 1 gram. Sodium, 7. They're vegans!
Huh?
Fuck. I mean, they're vegans. Proprietary vegan protein blend. I told you. I told you. What did I say? Satanists are vegan. Mayonnaise. Very old fashioned. How many calories per serving of this mayonnaise? Oh, it's all the same nutrition facts on all of them. It also says vegan protein blend. It's just the same nutrition facts on every label. Damn. Well, that still means they're vegan, though. Niram. Running out my batteries, checking their fucking food pantry. I have not. I saw the ads, though. Oh, you mean the fucking trailer that spoiled everything? That tells you the whole movie? I don't, like, mind that necessarily in some instances. Like, oh, hello, Autumn. I was just thinking about you. Thank you so much for the raid. What were you playing today? I saw your notification. I last saw you, I think, when you were playing Kingdom Hearts. That's right, you were playing Pokemon Sword and Shield. Which starter did you pick, and how are you enjoying your journey so far? Also, have you seen any of the Pokemon leaks? How's everybody? Let me do a thing real quick. Beep, 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 beep. I'm in the dark because I'm Martian. It's Shocktober, which is adjacent to Rocktober, which is why I did that. I'm playing Outlast 2 because it's scary. So if you want to be scared, stick around. If you like live guitar, if you like RPGs or Mario games or Nintendo games or Sonic games, those are all things that are going to come up on the Marsh stream in the future. So if you like that, invest now, buy low, and then never sell. Hit that follow button and stick around. Thanks so much. I'm on the stream straight up Marshing it. And by it, I mean gameplay. Yes. I was thinking about you, Autumn. I hope it was good. We were playing Shield. I started with Grookey. He's up to Thwacky. Now, why would you ever have your starter leave your party? I'm quietly judging you. Oh, Grookey's the monkey. I could never get rid of my starter. Never, ever. Can I? Oh. Is that a statue or a person? Also, spoilers. This game's scary. I'm getting a little scared by this game. Just a little bit. We're still on Marsh Camp. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yes, the scary gameplay of my face. Oh, I think I was in here already, maybe? My 3 firm Pokemon are Umbreon, Litwick, and Trapinch. They're going to stay in my party to the end. The funniest thing about that to me is that none of those are new Pokemon. Those are, like, I recognize all those. So no, this is the way it definitely wanted to send me. Do I have any batteries left, or am I about to get booked? I've got 3 spaces currently in flux. I do like that in Pokemon games where you can start to, like, change around your team. I did that in the last game I played was Sun and Moon, and I did that a lot. I had a fluctuating team. I guess I should climb over the fence, I guess? Hello? Blake, I know you can jump. Blake, don't do this to me, buddy. None of them are Sword Shield originals. Yeah, but that's fine. Oh.
Huh?
Don't say anything, please. I like how, like, glowing items glow in the dark. They're actually easier to see if you turn off the cam light. Oh yeah, there's also, you don't have to have the cam light. Oh hi.
Someday you wake up in hell.
Let's not think about or talk about what's happening in this room. Goodbye. Anyway, we didn't see any of that. That's not important. Whatever's happening there. All right, time to read the scripture. Word of the Lord. Wherefore, gird up the loins of you that would listen. Ready your mind, be open and sober, in patience for revelation. Obedient as children to parents, as parents to the prophets, as the prophets to God and his angels. For as much as ye know that ye were not made incorruptible by incorruptible gold, so are the lies of tradition received from your fathers. Received not by immaculate blood, the line of Adam, corrupted beyond salvation by the line of Cain, circumcised but stiff-necked, uncircumcised of heart, and ill-grown of your father's lust. They're really obsessed with circumcision. Who verily defiled the revelations of Abraham, and of Jesus of Nazareth, and of Abu al-Qasim Muhammad ibn Allah ibn... This is a lot of... I didn't know Muhammad had such a long title. I'm going to really try this. Abu al-Qasim Muhammad ibn Abd Allah ibn Abd al-Muttalib ibn Hashim. I tried my best. Give me 1,000 more practices and I'll know how to say it. Thou hellbound... This is... No politics or religion, please. This is the game talking, okay? This is not me talking. Thou hellbound Jews, thou hellbound Christians, thou hellbound Muslims, who sow damnation in weight of reaping, but receive not the vain conversation of your fathers, and pass the time of your sojourning in fear, not fashioning yourselves in ignorant lust, and when called to account by the Father, defend his heaven by the spilling of the heart's blood of the spider-eyed lamb, the enemy, the unborn prince of lies, for trust unto him whom it was revealed, be ye holy, for I am holy. Now, do I know what any of that means?
Huh?
What do we think? How much of that do you know what that means? How much of that do you know? How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck wrote a new Bible and created a cult? Okay, so... None of them are sorry. What? I don't know what you mean. Blake is a super white name and white man can't jump. This white man can jump. Ethan Winters can't jump, but this man can jump. Blake, why did your father and I buy you those moon boots if you never intended on using them? Huh?
Huh?
This game is horny in the worst ways always. Is it even horny or is it just like like violent sexuality? Interesting. Welcome, Merlin. Don't cancel me. Yeah, please don't clip that out of context because I will delete it. That certain things are things. That's why I make sure to say, because I don't want anyone to come in and hear me saying the fucking unhinged stuff that this game has written and think what the fuck happened to Marsh? That's what the game says. Spider lamb with a side of spider ham. Come on, Spiky. You were right there. You were right there. I didn't clip that one. I clipped funny things. All right. All right. Let's go back to the game. Thanks again for the raid, Autumn. I keep missing lore bits. This game actually has good lore. I love a horror game with good lore. Reading is fun. Fundamental. Basic reading. What do they say on the Nintendo games? Basic reading ability is required to enjoy this game. I think that's what it says. Wow, if only I had basic reading ability to remember what they said on the games. Oh, hi. I like your cleft lip. I'm gonna leave you alone now. Yeah. Okay. No, he's not. Was I making too much noise? I don't remember what the button is to bring out my mic. Where am I? I guess I made it somewhere. My microphone, or my camera has a mic on it. Toggle microphone with V. V for microphone. I don't know if I'm going the right way or not, but there's a water wheel here, and I haven't seen a water wheel yet, so. The music got louder when I turned on the mic. Am I supposed to believe the creepy music is happening in the game? What was that behind me? Blakey. Never mind, I'll save that one. Anybody ever see Not Another Teen Movie?
There's gotta be a way to stop the wheel.
There's gotta be a way to stop the wheel. Lock this door here. Let's see. There's gotta be a way to stop. Okay, let's pretend we didn't see that. Yeah. I have seen that one. That it used to be on. It was on Netflix for a little bit. They took it off. I watched it for the first time in like years right before they took it off, and it's still funny. Like if you grew up watching that era of teen movies, like of course American Pie 1 and 2. What was that one with Freddie Prinze Jr. and Sarah Michelle Gellar? Not fucking Scooby-Doo. Is it She's All That? Because there was She's the Man, but that was about Amanda Bynes cross-dressing. That was a different movie. But like any of those movies, Not Another Teen Movie is great. It got bad reviews at the time, but it's funny. And I used to watch it non-fucking stop whenever it aired on Comedy Central. No!
The newest of the fury of the Lord comes upon me!
How'd you even find me?
Unto me!
I don't like this, bro. Lock you in there for a second. How did you find me, brother? She's All That. Okay. Yeah, because he's like... It's that whole trope. I mean, it was hardly the only movie to do this. You don't see me. 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 You don't see me, Freddy Fazbear.
Even as the devil turns this world to a
Oh, Audra doesn't say hi to me? Is he going back inside? Buddy, I don't like this at all. Get out of the house, pal. I don't know what to do. So is that like his station? Uh-oh. That's worse. Oh. What do I do? So now he's just in there. Oh, I guess I'll take a stretch break. Okay.
My shirt's gonna come up. There we go. One more. This is actually really good for me. If they chase me and kill me, that'll be pretty funny.
Hey, Toppy.
My cat was about to steal my chair. Bring a new meaning to steal chair. Oh, he's gonna, yep. Topper. What is with you, bud? Thanks a lot, pal. I really appreciate that you did that, buddy.
Why are you so needy right now, buddy? Why? 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 He is a cute little devil, that's for sure. He was having his tail in my face. So, yeah, he's needy for pets. It's like he's never been pet by me in his life. He doesn't know I'm allergic to him. I take medicine every day. Buddy. Buddy. Mine started meowing as soon as you said your cat's name. I think because I started talking in the cat voice. There you go. Tell the people how much you love them. So that guy's still in the house. Yeah. Bop the tail with your tail. Or bop the mic with your tail. That's right. Yeah, there you go. Say hi to the people. I've been patting him. I think I outgrew my allergic. I'm not allergic to fur. I'm allergic to the dander. I remember my friend in elementary school had a hairless cat, and I was like, oh boy, I can pet the cat, and I like pet him all over, and then nope. That was no good.
That's no good.
So where's that guy? Oof, dandered. TFW dandered. Can you stay out? Stay out of my business. Not you, Topper. Not you. You're my precious boy. Yeah, you're precious. Everybody loves you. He's mad because I'm sitting in this chair and he wants to be sitting in it. Bopperino. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, 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 pop. He's so spoiled. Now, how do I stop? I got that lever. How do I stop it? That's the question. Oh, because I have to stop it to get through here. Or... oh, this is gonna be gnarly. I can't do that, can I? Can I? Oh, I don't like this. No, I can't. Okay. No, I cannot. Where do I put the lever? Huh. Oh, he's gonna do it again. He's gonna disconnect it. Watch. Here comes the boy. Oh, it magically stayed. So where do I put that damn lever? And I don't have batteries left. Oh, I'm in big trouble here. This is a locker. I was allergic to tomatoes, but even if I was, I wouldn't have cared because Italian food is 90% tomatoes. My uncle has a weird reaction to tomatoes. He's not like allergic, but what happens to my uncle is he'll eat tomatoes and then he'll just like turn red. And he like starts sweating a lot. I feel like I'm missing something. I feel like I'm missing something rather major. Where's that guy? Where's that guy? Where's that guy? There he is. Aha! The place where the lever goes. You can't stop me now. I'm tapping the button repeatedly. You can't stop me. You can't stop me. I'm tapping so repeatedly.
That should do the trick.
You can't stop me. I've started tapping repeatedly. There we go. No one taps me repeatedly. Hey, it's the end of the level. Maybe. Thought it was. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm scared. No. No, it's not. Oh, they don't want to come down here. In case you... Here, Ishmak. Here, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Here, I'll do it just for you. This is the wrong... Oh, here it is. Here it is, here it is, here it is, here it is. So let's bring this up just for you. Ugh, fuck.
In case you've been living under a rock, professional wrestling is electrifying. Once again, WWE is on fire right now.
Tomorrow's gonna be hotter.
Hotter.
Like yesterday.
Yesterday you said you'd call Sears. You call now.
I'll call now.
We like to have fun here. Welcome, Ishmak.
I'll call now. I'll call today. I'll call now. I'll call today. I'll call now. I'll call now. I'll call now. I'll call now.
Call 911! Oh, banana. It's the best remix ever.
Hotter.
Like yesterday.
Hotter.
Like yesterday.
Hotter.
Like yesterday.
That is an old ad, Dark Assassin. That ran throughout my childhood. Oh. Oh, they burnt a cow. Oh. I feel like there's a metaphor there about killing a sacred cow or something. But maybe I'm just stupid. What's through here? This fucking guy again. The words of Sullivan. Well, we're going to read the Bible again. Bible time. The words of Sullivan, who would be the new Ezekiel, who would be the prophet to lead the scattered, usurping strangers of a fallen Christ in the stolen Zion of the Pueblos, the Yicarilla, the Mescalero, and the Navajo. Elected according to the blood wept in Revelation, the foreknowledge of the enemy even at the gate and the crumbling ramparts, and obedience to the blood of God and Jesus Christ, grace unto you but never peace. To him blinded to a corrupted inheritance of defiled faith, the liars of Babel and horrors of Babylon, they begot of the devil, who is a liar and father of lies. O Zion, Zion, thou that stonest the prophets sent unto you, so that your house is desolate, and the blood of your ill-got children is sprinkled upon the earth to feed the wheat that fattens your brood for slaughter. For all flesh is grass to fatten the sacrificial ox or the sacrilegious calf. O Baal, O El. Stop. What kind of fucking drugs are they doing?
give me some ganja.
O Baal, O El, O Gugalana, O Moloch, but grass left to wither and fertilize with blood will to seed and spread. For the seed of the prophet shall root the enemy. For the seed of the prophet shall root the enemy.
Huh?
That the prophet may strike down with furious vengeance the bastard of lies begot in his own sin, cleansed by his own blood, spilled of his own issue. Not tissue. It says issue. I don't know what the fuck is going on in this game anymore. If I ever did. There's a battery. What I know in this game is that I need to pick up bandages and batteries whenever I see them. More dead cows. I don't like that. I'm not a fan. And can we go through here? Yeah. I'm sure that's fine. English dictionary. Okay. Maybe that's what the prophet was using to write. Oh, I guess that would be more of a thesaurus than a dictionary.
Through that if I could get the gate open.
I could fit through that if I could get the gate open. Well, thanks, guy. Thanks for not letting me have any chance to figure out that I'm supposed to do something with the glowing thing right in front of me.
The chain's broken.
I fucking struggled earlier with getting through a goddamn window, but here, they're like, hey, did you know that this glowing thing needs a thing? Now, the question is, what kind of thing can I use? Find a hook to lift the gate. 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 Wonder where we can find a hook. Maybe on or near one of the murdered cows. Oh, okay, that's a shovel. Let's say they killed that cow. There a hook in here? Can I get through here? There a hook in here? There's a hook. There's a hook. There's a hook. There ain't no hook. I hate his little slide. It feels like this game shouldn't have that. I'm gonna... hold on. I don't see any hooks by the dead cows.
Jesus, don't you ever quit?
Oh, she's back? Come on, bro. For real? No, can you leave me alone? He's right. Can you just... Can you take a break? Can you take a break from stalking me, please? I don't like this woman at all. Don't look over here. If you look over here, I'm going to be mad at you.
And what shall I say to him? And it shall be your blood.
Oh, what? Now you're pacing back again? I hate you. If you turn and look at me, I'm going to be so mad. I'm over here and you're over there. This game did not need fucking Resident Evil 3 Nemesis, okay? Are you chasing me? Not over here. God damn it. Leave me alone. I don't need to know anything about you or the Lord or serving or slaying or Yas queening or really anything of that nature. I need to be left alone.
The road to the mine is somewhere around here.
There's ads coming up in 60 seconds. Who's I am? This is concerning. I'm concerned. I'm a concerned citizen. I just want a chain. Or a hook. I just want a hook. I want a hook. I need a hook. No. God damn it. Fuck. I'm dead. I got Dead by Daylighted. Where do I find this damn hook? I don't even see one. I actually don't know. Deploy your wheelies. Oh, like Heelys? That should be an upgrade. Imagine if you played a horror game and you could upgrade your shoes to be Heelys. That would be next level. Why hasn't anyone done that yet? Fucking posers. There's a lot of dead cows, but no hooks. What's up with what's the deal with all the dead cows in this cult? Is this a religion or a murder cult? What's up with that? Where indeed, Lord? Where is the hook? Watch it be like in the room. Watch me. No, because she didn't spawn earlier. She only spawned when I needed to go back. Which makes me think that the hook is out there. Has anyone played this game? I don't want to know where the hook is. I just want to know that I'm doing the general right thing. I don't see any hooks. The hook is after... Sometimes the hook is right at the beginning of the song. You know, like... Shot through the heart and you're to blame, darling. You give love a bad name. You know what I mean? I saw folks play it years ago. Well, where's the hook? I haven't hooked, lined, or sinkered. I keep looking in the same place. And I can't find myspace.com. I think you're in general going the right way. No, it definitely does tunneling, but it's like, go find the hook. Okay. Now I go past the rotting cow flesh. And I end up here at this shed where there was a battery and not much else. I can't reach in the dirty pool. Back at a fence. No offense, but I'm lost. Mushroom rock. More fence, more rock. Dead cow, more rock, more fence. Out of energy, more rock. Less talk, more rock. Watch the hook be really somewhere really fucking obvious. But I feel like it's this way because that's where we ran into what's her name. And he was like, don't you ever quit. Oh, did I ever go right this way? I did. And I don't see any hooks. I also can't get through this gate. It's through a crack in a barn. Well, that's where I just was. Let's see, I didn't explore out here. But there's not much to explore out here. This guy's heavy breathing really unsettles me. Good sound design. Oh, here's a crack. Thank you. Thank you. That was a good tip, actually.
There's gotta be a way through.
When I ask for back seating, I appreciate it. Oh, I have the mic on. Fuck. The mic drains more battery. I really don't like that lady. Is she the one who stole my wife?
My wife.
I have to go. Excuse me. I'm in the dark. You know what? You know what I'm gonna do. Hold on. I'm gonna have a sweet treat. Oh, of course I have to have my fucking camera on screen. I haven't had this yet on stream. Oh, my camera froze. There we go. Coca's Cola, 0 sugar. Oreo flavor. Is it good? Yes. It smells like... Have you ever had an Oreo? Excuse me? Have you ever like been eating Oreos with Coca-Cola and perhaps even dipped the Oreos in the Coca-Cola? I was gifted it.
Jesus. Should have prayed for refrigeration.
Oh, I hate it here. I hate it here. I hate it here. It tastes exactly like Oreos dipped in Coca-Cola or Coca-Cola after you've dipped Oreos in it.
Meat hung to cure. Hooks through their Achilles tendons.
Ah, that's people meat. That's people meat. There's only one kind of people meat I want, and it doesn't look like that. I'll tell you what. This is worse than the part in the Nazi game. Oh, not the Nazi game. The game where you kill the Nazis. Wolfenstein, where I feel sick. I feel sick. I feel sick. Hold on. I'm sorry. I didn't like that at all. I didn't like that at all. That's worse than the part in Wolfenstein where you get to a level and in order to infiltrate the Nazis, you actually have to go into a concentration camp. Ooh, that part's terrible and I don't like it and it's supposed to make me feel bad. But no, the Oreo's not bad. No, the Oreo's not making me feel sick. The fucking thing, Spiky, do you not see what's happening on the screen? Sorry. No, not the. It's the fact that I just took a sip of like a sugary carbonated beverage and then like fucking that shit happened.
Get me out of here, Morty. Morty, we gotta travel through time, Morty. Transform me into a boy your age, Morty, and I'll steal your crush.
That really does happen in one of the episodes. It's fucked up. Fuck you, Tiny Rick. Somebody at the fucking Rick and Morty... Never mind, I'm not going to go into it. I don't actively watch Rick and Morty, but there's a time period where I really was earnestly giving it a chance. And I possibly gave it one too many chances that it deserved. I need a hook! It's in there. The one I need is in there. How do I get it? Aha! That was a pretty good Rick impression. That's like how I do the Seth Rogen impression by taking a puff. I'll do a Rick impression by drinking a carbonated beverage and making myself sick.
Morty, we gotta make ourselves sick, Morty.
Ah, it's even worse when it's... You have to go back through it.
Fuck, I hate it.
This game's rated M for mature, and I guess we're learning that I'm not. Chunk. Finally, he's here for you. He's the last member of the DK crew. This Kong's so strong, it isn't funny. Can make a Kremlin cry out for mummy. Can pick up a boulder with relative ease. Makes crushing rocks seem such a breeze. He may move slow, he can't jump high, but this Kong's one hell of a guy.
Okay.
Oh my god, I can do Tyler the Creator.
Okay.
Holy shit, has someone ever done that? Has someone done a fucking Tyler the Creator remix but with the fucking Donkey Kong okay? Because if someone hasn't, someone will. What do I need this hook for? SpongeBob! The hooks! The hooks! Oh, I don't like that sound at all. Why must you be the way that you are? I don't want to be murdered by you. Are you a one-hit KO? Fuck you. That's fine. I'm like desensed. I'm like, oh no, please don't murder me. And of course it fucking refreshes me here. Eat my ass. Okay, I thought I could rush past her. Where's Bart Eat Ass? I mean, that fits. Is this Bart Eat Ass? Where's Bart Eat Ass?
That's no good.
What is...
Eat ass.
There we go.
Eat ass, eat ass, eat ass.
Okay. That was a demo. That was a demo. Can you just leave me alone, lady? Like, it's very fucking rude of you. Oh, ew! Oh! Oh! No, I made a mistake! I'm sorry! I'd rather die. I'd rather actually die. Just kill me. I need to take a shower. No. And they put that there, because they put that there. No. Oh, where do I go? Not in there. I don't like it at all. Is this a goo barrel as well? Is this a Kool-Aid barrel that they keep the nice juicy? Yup, they sure do. I don't want to get my body all sticky from the Kool-Aid. All the mosquitoes will try to chase me and sting me. That's why I'm bothered, because if you jump in a vat of Kool-Aid, it'll be really gross and hard to wash off. Oh my god. Oh. I hated that so much. I really.
What shall I say to him?
Oh, yeah. Oh, no.
Like glitter. Oh. Can you just like go away? Can you make yourself non-existent in my life? If you chase me from all the way over there, I'm gonna be so goddamn pissed off at you, lady.
Lord, even unto his death. I will be thy plague and thy ransom.
All right, I'm making a run for it. I can't close the doors behind me. That's good. Is this not where even I want to be? Ah, fuck, where do I go? If it's not in there, what's in here? Okay. I bet it made for a good clip. Oh, I didn't like that at all. I really didn't like that. Oh. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. God can't help you here. Wait, what do I do? Why isn't it going? I said God can't help you here. Fuck. Yeah. What's cooking, good hooking? Bye. It's like in Crash Bandicoot when you die in a bunch of different entertaining ways. He's like, whoa! I should just start going whoa when I die. Whoa! Okay, so I gotta tap it fast. What? No! Don't get your foot trapped. I hate that he fucking baseball slid into the guts. I really,
Okay. Fuck. Keep moving.
Okay. Hey, look. The next level.
The road to the mine is somewhere around here.
Oh man, we're still in Genesis. We're still in Sega Genesis. Oh, the other chapters are shorter. Okay. The first chapter is the longest one. Okay. We're almost at that. You know, Spiky, why must you do
That
this
is
to
the
me?
mine. Where the
Oh, enjoy dinner.
heretics are.
Yeah, how are you eating right now? Enjoy your steak and Kool-Aid. Oh. We made it. We made it through chapter 1, goddammit. What was that achievement I just got? Babylon. 33.6% of players have this achievement. I am in the top 1/3 of Outlast 2 players. Thank you, Spiky. I appreciate it. Let me step on this cactus. Let me step on this cactus. Ooh. Let me step on this cactus. Let me step on this cactus. Pro gamer alert. Thanks, Merlin. Oh, did I shout you out, Merlin? I feel like I did, but maybe I didn't. Oh, I didn't. Oh, Merlin. I'm so sorry. I did? Well, guess what? Fucking do it again. How's Control? Have you played it sequels, Alt and Delete?
I was saying words.
No. I also don't think I shouted out Dark Assassin, so let me do that as well. Thank you for the air horn, Spiky. Oh, Life is Strange. There we go. Dark Assassin did say Life is Strange is good. Life is Strange is good. Oh, we're gonna get some lore. Lore time. Dearest Marta, my best beloved. Oh, this is Knopf. Dearest Marta. What the fuck was that? Dearest Marta, my best beloved, most trusted, my intimate Oh. I don't think I'm gonna read this one out loud. I think we can read it together. If you're listening without viewing, I'm so sorry. I'm not reading this out loud. This is about how the cult leader, Sullivan Noth, is a terrible person. He's a really bad person. He has manipulated this person, Marta, he's writing the letter to since she was a child. And she's doing murders for him. So I think that might be bad. Is that a bad thing to do? To do murder? Have AI Marsh say it for you. What would AI Marsh sound like? Bad. I will never make AI Marsh. That's my pledge to you. Wow, this looks like Banshee Boardwalk from Mario Kart 64. Just to lighten the mood a little bit. Hello? It's locked. Let me in. Oh, yeah, there we go. Ah!
Wait. This is before I found her hanging.
Oh, I'm in a hallucination. Oh, God. Oh.
Wake up.
Let me film my hallucination real quick. Oh, I hate that I'm in a hallucination. Man, I said this last time. I feel like this is like, if I had schizophrenia, I would just be like, oh my God, again. Yeah, and we can't see what we film in our hallucinations. Ugh, I don't want to be hallucinating right now, please. Can I just like not hallucinate? Please. Oh, there's that Neron cardboard again. Interesting. I wonder if that's significant. Wait! Morin. It's backwards. That must mean something. Because I kept reading it as Neron, but it's M-O-R-I-N in reverse. I wonder if that's important. Also, I hate this. Have you ever had dreams when you were still in school? Oh, what's happening? We are loved. God, faith, and Christ. It's St. Sybil High School. Oh, we're in high school now. We were in 4th grade before, now we're in high school. Bring me oh yeah, we've got complex math on the screen. I don't know what any of this is. Well, I know what 3/8 plus 4/16 is. That's, wait, hold on. 3/8 plus 3/8 plus 4/16. I don't know why they would say 4/16 because that's 1/4. But 3/8 plus 4/16 is 5/8. That's easy. That's easy math. Watch that be wrong. Ah, what was that? Oh, you saw that. 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 You saw that, right? It's scarier when it's not a jump scare. It's scarier when it's not in your face, when it's just like, ooh, I'm here. Oh, I don't like it at all. I didn't like that at all. What's happening? What the fuck is this? What is this? What is this? What is this?
Hangman game. Like Lynn and Jess used to play. The other half of this must be somewhere.
UNFRGI.
Jessica left the hangman somewhere for Lynn to find.
This isn't how you play Hangman. I want it to be very clear to everyone that, oh, it's Jesus. Miracles of Jesus. I just want it to be very clear that that's not how you play Hangman. By faith we understand the universe was formed at God's command, so that what is seen was not made out of what was visible. Oh, it's December. It's almost time for Christ Mass. I was looking at my spaghetti. I've mostly been cooking. Let this man cook? Okay, it's the Lord's Prayer. Okay. Let's get out of this hallway. And into this hallway. This class, oh, of course the classroom that's illuminated we can't go into. There's gonna be like something horrible that like spawns. It's the streamer's job to keep me safe, so if I get scared, it's Marsh's fault. I thought me getting scared was part of the entertainment value. Is that wrong? Is that not correct? I thought the scares were supposed to be visceral entertainment. Hello? I'm leaving the doors open. I'm leaving the doors open here because I like to know what rooms I haven't been in. I see. I see. Where's the projector? Yeah.
Unforgivable.
What's that mean?
Sounds about right.
Sounds about right. What did you do, Blake? Blake, what did you do? Did Blake kill Lynn? No, wait, Jessica. Lynn is his wife. Lynn is his pregnant wife, and Jessica is the girl who died. I'm not liking it here. I saw it this time. Something fucking awful is gonna happen to me. Something just like something really unfun. Am I out of batteries? No. I went down this hallway. Didn't I? Went in there. Yeah, I can't go through here. Maybe this door will be open now. It's still jammed. How do I get in there? I seemingly can't. Oh, I didn't even try to go in here. Okay, let's sit up. Let's sit up. It seems like somebody's trying to sell me something. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? Ah, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Why is this happening to me? That's not what I meant to do. That's not what I meant to do. Is this... Ah! Okay. That's fine. Now, wait, where the hell am I now? I don't like hallucinating. I would like... No. 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 Why is Elon Musk here? No. 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 Tissue! No. No. Merry Christmas. Ad starts in 60 seconds. If you want to see me get scared, you gotta subscribe. Get the emotes. Watch without ads. I don't like it here anymore. I want to go back home to my scary reality with the cult, with the satanic cult and the Christian cult. I don't want to be in my weird hallucination flashbacks anymore. So now what happens? Is it just gonna jump out at me again? What do I do? Hello? You can't jump scare me again with the same jump scare. Oh, do I go through? Oh, okay. Okay. How do I get up there? How do I get up there? Blake! Press, hold, oh, okay. That's fine. Oof, my hands are all grody. Okay. Everything's fine. Now, do you think these would really hold the weight of an adult man?
What the fuck? I was just here.
I have no batteries. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's fine. What did I think was gonna happen? Oh, and I'm in the real world again. Okay. Hallucination is over. What's up, Golden Crust? Thank you for subscribing. Or not subscribing. Thank you for following. I really do appreciate it. It's good to see you. Can we shout out Golden Crust 200? I'll do it. I appreciate the follow. When you followed, I saw your name and I was like the patties. And then I saw that on your channel you have the Jamaican flag, so it may in fact be the patties. Oh, you're in ads. Yes. We'll see you after ads. Hello, Flambe. Let me give you a shout out as well. What did you say? What was absolutely not? Okay. I find you being scared very entertaining. Thank you. There goes my scream. You're fine. You're all right. You're all right. That jump scare was nuclear. That's not the word I meant to use. I don't know what you're saying absolutely not to though, Heather. I don't remember what I said. I already don't remember what I said. Oh, we're filming. Oh, I don't have any batteries. I hope my camera doesn't die before I finish filming.
The mines. This leads to the mines. The others took Lynn.
How's Titanfall 2, Flambe? I once watched Audra Rains play that, but I've never tried it myself. Because Apex Legends is based on Titanfall, right? But Titanfall is more of like a single player thing? Oh, you might still be in ads. Let me ask the same questions in about 10 seconds. Oof, I hate this. Oh, I hate it for real. Where am I gonna find batteries? Oh, I hate it here. Okay, so Flambe, I asked how's Titanfall 2 going. I said I'd seen Audra Rains play it, but I never played it for myself. And then I said Titanfall's kind of like Apex Legends, right? Except it's single player. And for Golden Crust, I was talking about Jamaican patties. Talking about fucking beef patties.
Oh, Christ.
Because your name is Golden Crust. That's what it makes me think of. Have you played this before? I got Apex because of Titanfall. Well, there you go. Something scary is gonna happen.
Huh? Huh? Huh?
Okay, well that wasn't scary.
Okay, it's not that far. This isn't so bad.
Is it because I'm playing with a keyboard? Like, what did I do wrong there? Okay, let's just look at the ground. Look at the ground. It won't fall off.
What in...
No, hell no. I'm going home. Sorry to my wife. She'll be fine. And I was thinking, Golden Crust, that you were named after the patty itself, but that...
Shit!
What's happening? Okay, so this is scripted. This isn't my fault. I didn't do that, okay?
Huh?
Where am I from? I'm from New Jersey. I currently live elsewhere. I'm from New Jersey and I lived in New York City for quite a while. Oh, those were locusts. I thought they were dragonflies. Am I upside down? I'm upside down. Oh, you're Jamaican. Nice. Like, in Jamaica? Oh, what the hell is happening? Well, welcome to the stream.
Suffering is done. Not words true.
Brooklyn now. Oh, that's a... They have, like, Golden Crust shops you can go to in Brooklyn, right? Because I used to live in Brooklyn. You can, like, get Golden... It's not just at a grocery store. You can, like, get Golden Crust at the fucking shop. I never did. There's a place around here you can get good beef patties from. I guess it's a Jamaican restaurant. The Jamaican places in Brooklyn, what they say about them is, like, the ruder the surface, the better the food. It's a restaurant, yeah. So is it a restaurant first, and then they started selling the patties at grocery stores? Because I grew up eating that shit from, like, the freezer.
Guess I'm taking the long way.
I guess I'm taking the long way. Hey, my batteries replenished. They were nice enough to refill my batteries. That was awfully kind of them. Oh, nice. I never ate from Golden Crust directly. I only ever had their freezer patties. To crawl, press C. I want to crawl in that? Watch this be like a river of blood. Ugh. Kool-Aid. Whatever. Something something bad is gonna happen. Never heard of Golden Crust. Is it like White Castle burgers? No, it's a Jamaican beef patty. Well, I think they probably sell chicken patty too, like chicken curry. But it's like, you know what a beef patty is. It's like an empanada. And there's other brands too. There's, I grew up eating Golden Crust. I'm trying to think of the other like big brands that you can get at like the grocery store. Juicy Beef. That's one of them.
This fuckworm mistook its blessings for sickness and tried to leave, and I broke him. Do not make his mistakes or commit his sins. God and his prophet love you.
Tower Isle. There you go. I've already missed 3 bits of lore here. Well, I never had Tower Isle. I don't think I ever had any except Golden Crust. Jamaican restaurants, all lovely Jamaican foods, oxtails. I'm not really one. I have had oxtail. It's not really to my taste, but that's okay. I really like the rice and peas though. I ate from the Jamaican restaurants in Brooklyn, but surprisingly enough, I hardly ever got beef patties. I get them now. Might be a reason to go to NYC. There's any kinds of reason to go to NYC, but there's great Jamaican food in Brooklyn, that's for sure. What you know about what? I know that they exist. Rice and peas is hitting. Just had some. Hell yeah. I can only eat the vegan versions. Do they make is there a way to eat vegan oxtail? I bet you could make a good vegan. I bet you could make a good vegan patty though. With like the season, because the seasoning is really what makes it. It's like you can. Damn, now I'm hungry. I'm vegan, bro. Oh hell yeah! Well there you go. So, drop your fucking vegan beef patty recipes in the chat, or in Discord! ! Discord. Gonna make black-eyed peas and ham hock this year. Now look at you. How do I get through here? I had a vegan patty yesterday. Got a spot in Brooklyn, so delicious. Damn, now see, I wish I'd known about that because I was vegan. I'm not anymore. I'm one of those people. I'm a quitter. How do I get through here? How do I get through here? Because I came this way, right? 7 years. Fuck yeah. Good for you. That's great. It's like genuinely, sincerely good for you. That's awesome. Yeah, so this is where I came from. I can't go back. Gonna get active with some chores. You got it. I've never had juicy beef. I just know that it exists. I told you, I was loyal to Golden Crest because that's what they served at my that's what they sold at my grocery store growing up. What am I doing wrong? Do I go through? If you can't go around, go through. Oh, shit!
Give me some ganja!
Have a good time. Be safe. What's this say? Sickness here? Blow one for me. You know what? Here's one for you, Flambe. Oh, I meant to...
I can still find my way to the mine. Sickness here. God bless.
It doesn't say God bless.
These people were rotting even before they were murdered.
Oh, yeah, it does. It says it. Yeah, it does. It says it down there. God bless. Okay. Yeah. Hell yeah. Oh, paper on the ground. What could it mean? It's a lot of words. Welcome to this place of spiritual healing. You are scared and you are sick. Oh, wow. It's like I'm in... Okay, never mind. I can't say that. Subscribe to Marsh Premium Plus to get that joke. Welcome to this place of spiritual healing. You are scared and you are sick, as you should be. And you are filled with shame, as you should be. You know that you would not be here if not for your own sins, but I can make you wonderful and pure again. When all this sickness first erupted and crusted in Temple Gate, Papa Noth in his wisdom and kindness recognized it for the spiritual affliction it was. Don't believe those crooked and frightened others if they tell you you're sick with the syphilis or the gonorrhea or any other outer world lie. This is a sickness of the soul, and only by purging your soul will you find health. I have thoughts in a moment. Stay true, stay obedient to God and to Papa Noth, and especially to his deacon, Laird. God and his prophet love you. So these guys were giving fucking innocent people, presumably mostly, if not exclusively women, STDs, and then gaslighting them. Oh, this person's still alive. Oh. Can we go back to talking about beef patties, maybe? I liked that conversation better, I think. Now what the hell's happening here? Now what the hell's happening here? He will descend on a cloud of locusts? I don't think that's what locusts represent. Oh, this is worrisome. Oh, I don't like it here. You guys got any batteries? Hell yeah, thank you. Oh, no. I'm gonna get out of here, okay? Oh! No, sir. No, don't vomit on me. I don't want your bodily fluids near me. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry if that's offensive to you. I hope none of that got in my mouth. I'm so sorry, sir, but I don't want you to vomit near me. I think I liked it better. Are you mad at me or something? Oh, press D. I didn't press the D. I hate it here. I hate it here. No, the cat didn't drag in anything. The cat's gonna drag you out, okay? Stay away from me. I need a shower. I proclaim the whore laird. Okay, see, I don't want to deal with that. Who leads us to infestation? I think, yeah. Why can't I get under here? I can. I'll read that later. This is depressing me. This isn't even like scary. It's just like, oh, now I feel depressed. Okay, let's read that text. Oh, I missed some more lore. Damn. I proclaim the whore laird who leads us to infestation. I proclaim the scurvy of laird who leads us to damnation. I proclaim the perfidious laird who leads us to contamination. I proclaim the deceit of laird who bleeds us to annihilation. I proclaim the canker of laird who feeds us to extinction. I proclaim the Sic Semper Evelum Mortem Tyrannus. That's
I can still find my way to the mine.
That's Latin. Because Sic Semper Tyrannus is what John Wilkes Booth said when he killed Abraham Lincoln. I guess I hadn't locked that. I thought I did. Please don't vomit on me. Again. Oh, can you fuck off, mister? You really? What is your problem? Are you still following me? Yes. I'm trying to film here, bud. Well, apparently that broke my filming and I can't do it again, so. That's upsetting. I wanted to film, damn it. I wanted to film that. Well, there goes a lore piece. It's gonna be like the Metroid ending. I'm gonna have like, wait. No, that's not where I came from. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? Lake. If it had been forgotten, Joe, I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Okay. Okay. That's fine. That's okay. Oh, I wear my glasses! I can't see without my glasses. Well, guess that's fine. I don't know. No battery here.
Oh, fuck me!
Wait, why? Why am I being fucked? Oh. Oh, what the hell is that? Oh, what the hell is that? What's going on? What the hell is that? What or who or what? What is that? What the hell is that? What is that? What? It's a person on another person's back? Oh, I don't like that at all. No. No. Nah. Not a fan of that at all. Where am I going? Can you leave me alone? No, I don't have any worms. Not me, not me, not me, not me. No worms here. No worms here, pal. Buddy, move. Move your fucking lean ass body. Oh, I'm in school again. This is making me feel like good, very good game design. This is making me feel like my own mental health is actively degrading. Holy fuck. Maybe take a break. I'm taking a break right now, technically. Nah, no, I can't. Angel Demon, we gotta make it through. We gotta make it through this. Take a sip of my Oreo flavored Dr. Pepper. I was called Dr. Pepper. Coca-Cola. Oh my god, that was actually refreshing. I am losing my grip on my mental health.
This way, Blake.
Jess, come back.
No, what the fuck? Boo! Hi, kitten. At first, I thought this was Doom. I was like, oh, this computer's running Doom. That's the Windows 95 screensaver.
How the fuck do I get out of here?
So if I... There we go. I can Alt-Tab. There we go. Okay. Thank you, kitten. How's Alone in the Dark? Which version of Alone in the Dark are you playing? I feel alone in the dark right now as Blakey's about to make a big mistakey. Oh, there's a new one. Is it good? I'm having the time of my life here. I think I have because the Alone in the Dark for Game Boy Color is on the Switch. Hold on, I gotta turn off my camera for just 1 second. Is that Alone in the Dark? There was one on the Game Boy Color. Excuse me, of course I turned the camera on while I'm still scratching my nose. Okay, time to play Doom. Oh. Father Procari. This is December 6th, so we are in December. December 6th, 1995, from Shelly Parham at AltaZista. Oh, get it? .com. To VP at AltaZista.com. Oh, wait. That must just be VP of the school. Okay. The person got VP of nothing at AltaZista.com. Subject, Jessica Gray field trip. Okay, Jessica is the murder victim in this game. Father Procari, I took Miss Gray out of phys ed today to have a little talk with her. Father Loudermilch was telling me he's worried that she's a touch more sensitive than is good for her. So we are directly drawing parallels between the religious cult and Catholicism. No politics or religion, please. I took Miss Gray out of phys ed today to have a little talk with her. Father Loudermilch was telling me he's worried that she's a touch more sensitive than is good for her, and I don't doubt it, poor girl. I know you've dealt with her dad and his big personality, and her mother was a real tragedy, God rest her soul. But anyway, Father Loudermilch says he thinks it might not be a good idea for Jessica to go on the field trip to the piano factory.
Huh? Huh? Huh?
Sure, they're going on a field trip to the piano factory, okay? We're playing fucking Mad Libs. The Catholic school student is going on a field trip to the piano factory. Sure. And I tend to agree. She seems like a decent risk of a runaway. God, am I glad I didn't go to Catholic school. On top of which, her father's signature on the permission slip is a little embarrassing and...
Smoking weed, let me hear you say hell yeah. Gotcha. Get these motherfuckers. Pot is ruining America.
Give me some ganja!
There you go, Angel. On top of which, her father's signature on the permission slip is a little fucking embarrassing, and what an obvious forgery it is, so we'll need your say-so to suspend permission. We'll put her on library study for that day. So Jessica... Oh, wait, let me look at the email subjects. So this one is for Jessica Gray field trip. There's also an email about the Christmas choir, Catholic... Oh, Christmas. There we go. Catholic news and feasts of the Blessed Virgin Mary. That's fine. Jesus. We are supposed to take a toke every time we see Inri. Also, I hate the word toke. I don't know why I just fucking use that. Blech. So, I'm supposed to be chasing the ghost of my childhood friend, who's also a murder victim. Well, she's an adult murder victim, though. She wasn't murdered as a child. She was murdered as an adult. What would Jesus do? Someone said Akuma? Wasn't me. Akuma. Akuma Matata? Get out of here.
I was saying balloons.
I liked playing Akuma in Tekken 7. That was a fast trip, Golden Crust. Street Fighter. Yeah. I know Akuma's from Street Fighter. I'm just saying that I liked Akuma in Tekken. Oh, around the corner. Okay. What's your favorite fighting game? Can I go through here? Hey. Hey.
Hey.
Hey. Hey.
Hey. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Street Fighter. Which Street Fighter? I know you don't mean Street Fighter 1. There better be a battery or something in here. Watch there be a fucking ghost in the toilet. 4! Interesting. I haven't played much of 6. I know 6 is the newest one. I played the demo for 6, and the demo was good. Okay. Okay, this is normal. Everything about this is normal. Everything about this is fucking normal.
Don't go.
Ads are about to happen in 60 seconds if you don't want to be scared. Oh, 4 was a big deal when it came out. I do remember that. 4 was a big deal. I've really mostly played Street Fighter 2, I guess. I did play Street Fighter 4, just not like a bunch. Honestly, I've played Ultimate Marvel vs. Capcom 3 way more than Street Fighter 4. I was more of a Ultimate Marvel versus Cap. What a fucking hard game name to say.
Click on my ads. 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 Click on my ads.
That's a new one. That's a new one. Anybody recognize that dance? Not as good as Marvel vs. Capcom. Yeah, Ultimate Marvel vs. Capcom 3 is a really good game. When I was a kid, I liked Marvel... How hard is it to say Marvel vs. Capcom? When I was a kid, I liked Marvel vs. Capcom 2 in the arcades. Thanks, Merlin. Yeah, oh, hell yeah, you deserve it. You deserve to hit more than that nap.
Give me some ganja!
Have a good one. Why would they keep the battery next to the remote? Also, this is a really realistic old-ass TV remote. Very good attention to detail there. What's this paper say? Study the list below. Increased trade between Europe and Asia led to growth of towns, led to an increased interest in exploration. This list shows the results of the Renaissance, the Crusades, the Middle Ages, the trade route. Another term for the Crusades is the Reformation, the Renaissance, the Holy Wars, the Revolution. The Renaissance was a period of rebirth and learning, led to a decrease in the desire for learning, decreased interest in art, led to the end of the Roman Catholic Church. I like when game assets have a lot of attention to detail put into them, okay? When you don't, we could read the whole lunch schedule. Breakfast. We could read their whole breakfast schedule for the entire month of February, even though this is supposed to be during December. There's also the holiday concert. They only have a guitar, a cymbal, and a triangle. That's gonna pretty bad lineup for the holiday concert. Yeah. Final exam schedule. Elon Musk over here. Inri. That's offensive. I won't say that. What would Jesus do? In this situation, what? Blake should stop and think and ask himself, what would Jesus do if he was in a helicopter with his pregnant wife, the helicopter got shot down, his wife got kidnapped and potentially abused by a religious cult that wants to summon the Antichrist, which for Jesus would be the opposite of himself, but then also is starting to have mental issues where he's hallucinating parts of his past involving a childhood friend who was murdered as an adult. What would Jesus do? I don't actually know. I bet I'd be better at this game if I knew what Jesus would do. But I don't. Grab that bandage. That's what Jesus would do. It's gonna be my next fucking gimmick. Close the door behind me. Jesus would do that. Reload the camera. You betcha. Jesus would do that. What did I say the name of my next stream was going to be? Because now I'm thinking about it being WWJD. WWBD. What would Blake do? Oh. Is this bad? There's a concert in December and a concert in February. Something's gonna happen to me. This is one I'm not familiar with. There's a hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a hole. There's a hole. There's a hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a frog in the hole in the bottom of the sea. That says strangle. I like that it says Saint Angle, though. Saint Angle round my neck. He never gets respect. I switched keys because I realized I could sing it in the right key. Saint Angle round my neck. Fuck. You flush it out. You flush it out. I feel like I'm playing Portal. We're gonna exunt the halluc. Yep. We're already out of it. My mental health and acuities. No, please don't kidnap me. I'm just a normal guy. My wife is pregnant. Please. She's got the Antichrist in her belly. I'm trying to get it out. Don't touch me. Please don't touch me.
Ah, praise God and his prophet now. Praise God.
Okay, praise God.
Forgive me, Lord.
No.
But I have to be sure.
No, God, oh, no. No, don't put that on me. Don't you put that on me. No, don't put your blood in my mouth. Ah!
There you go. God, please, let him be your one. He's unmarked. He's pure. He is the Skull Messiah. You half-wit dog's cut. He ain't been transubstantiated yet.
What is happening?
He ain't been born.
Do they think?
Get him on that cross.
Do they think I'm the Antichrist?
Let's get on.
I don't want that. I don't want that. No. I'm not Satan's spawn. I promise. I'm a normal guy. My name's Blake. My dad works in finance. He sent me to Catholic school. Please. Please don't put me on a cross. I don't want to be crucified. That's a form of punishment. That's not a form of rebirth. Hey. Hey, that's torture. You don't want to torture your whatever. If I'm the Scald Messiah, you don't want to torture me.
See? We prepared everything.
No.
It's all ready for you.
No.
What? Don't do this.
Blake's not putting up very much of a fight. I'll say that.
You're supposed to have a gospel for us.
My gospel is let me down, please.
Salvation after the end. The gospel? The truth. Your guidance.
No.
Well, old Nick.
I don't want the nails. No.
Wait.
Ow, God! Wait, how do I not get crucified? I press X to not get crucified. I'm pressing all the buttons. I don't want to be crucified. Backspace.
That wasn't so bad.
Please, uncrucify. Undo. Take the nail out.
Hand me that.
No.
Is that a camera?
No, my camera. I need that. What would Jesus do? Jesus would record everything.
Christ would use a camera, not a book.
Yeah, see? That's my gospel.
It's our gospel.
Thank you.
How could I not have known?
And I need to interpret it for you.
Please forgive me for doubting you. There is no suffering that I do not deserve.
Yeah, God's gonna make you suffer right after you take me off the cross. Please.
I must study his lessons.
No, I need that to see in the dark. And
Drive the other nail in.
no! I don't want to be crucified. I really don't. I guess that's what Jesus would have said too. I'm pretty sure he was like, please don't crucify me. I'm pretty sure. Oh, I don't like this at all. Put me down. Put me down. No. At least bring me something to drink. Is that game? Well, I guess I'll die of slow blood loss and starvation. What a horrible ending to a game. Oh no 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 no, don't make me do that. Don't make me do it. Do it yourself. You got yourself up here, Blake. Get yourself fucking down. Don't ask me for help. The Lord helps those who help themselves. I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I don't want to. Do you think if I leave him up here long enough, he'll do it himself? Yeah, Martian, I've never been salty in my fucking life. For God so loved the world, he gave his only begotten Son. For those that would believe in him will have eternal life. I think that's wrong. I think shall never perish but have everlasting life. That's what it is.
Pot is ruining America.
The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me lie down in green pastures. Ah! He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. I'm bleeding, huh?
Fuck. God. Oh, fuck. Okay. They gotta stop the bleeding. Gotta.
Why'd they take my bandages? I had some. Blakey, he did indeed make a big mistakey. My camera. Oh, now I just walk just fine. I've stabilized myself. The blood loss has abated. Why are there enemies? You guys can't see me. It's fine. I'm gonna throw up. I don't want to look at that.
Fuck.
Just put the Band-Aid on it, dude. Stop being a baby. Jesus. Literally. Literal, actual Jesus Christ. What would Jesus do? This? Thanks, Emily. Did you watch Bad Blood? Talking about Bad Blood. Oh. Have you ever played Outlast? It sure is a game. Where's my camera? Now that I've patched up my hands. I need my camera. I need my camera badly. I like that there's multiple bandages scattered around. What'd you think? What'd you think of Bad Blood? I feel so sick. Angel Demon off stream. I'm gonna play Zelda Echoes of Wisdom. That'll make me feel better. Ugh. You thought it was bad? Why'd you think it was bad? No. I'll tap you. I'll tap the D. That's okay. No, it's not. Yeah, I can die. I guess I went the wrong way. I can't get under here. I don't know what to do. I'll die. Yeah, that's okay. The only good match was Drew. That's so interesting that you think the only good match was Drew versus CM Punk, because that's what some people have said. I get that the event is called Bad Blood, and they did the Hell in a Cell, whatever. First of all, for as brutal as that match was, it didn't really seem like the cell didn't play into it. I mean, I guess Drew bashed Punk's head into the cell at one point, but besides that, it wasn't like, oh, we're trapped in here, or like one of us is trying to get out, or like one of us is really gonna use the cell in a major way. I guess because the cell was supposed to be the first cut on Punk, but then Drew got fucking sliced wide open, and then the cut on Punk was like nothing in comparison. I thought the Liv Dom match was underwhelming, unfortunately. I love Liv and Dom, and that match, the finish with Raquel made no fucking sense. Nobody cheered, like you said. It wasn't like, oh my god, I can't believe it. Like, it was disappointing. I wanted to see her beat up Dom like a piñata. Like, part of what I like about the whole Dirty Dom thing is that, like, Dirty Dom is a little weasel, like a filth weasel, and he gets his comeuppance every once in a while because he's a little weasel man. I liked, I mean, the match with, what was it, Nia and Bailey? Whoever Nia was against, that was a pretty good match. It wasn't like all-time or whatever, but I liked that match. I enjoyed it. It was probably like more of a TV caliber match than a PLE caliber match. I liked Cody and Roman versus Solo and Jacob. I didn't like that how blatantly they're protecting Roman versus Jacob, because the whole time I'm like, okay, they want us to want Roman and Jacob, but then we never saw it. So it's like, oh, you're doing Cody and Roman versus Solo and Jacob, but we don't get to see Roman and Jacob fight at all? That kind of sucked. And then The Rock showed up. Okay. I didn't think The Rock showing up was like anything special. He just kind of was there. I need my video camera back, please. My stream keeps crashing, about 100 people I know. Well, thank you for the alert, Creepto, and I appreciate it. I need my video camera back. And then I don't even remember what the other match was, because there were 5. It was another men's match, and it was so forgettable. Like, literally, I don't remember. And then they had Jade and Bianca do, like, one fucking segment. They were like, oh, they're the hosts, because, like, Jade and Bianca are still popular, but they can't book good matches for them, which pisses me off, because I like Jade and Bianca. It's like, I like looking at Jade and Bianca, but you know where I like looking at Jade and Bianca even more? In the ring. There's something over here. A person. Never mind. Oh, Emily, let me shout you out, because I know you've been doing streams. I heard the Jade DLC in 2K24 is really popular, which is great because I fucking love Jade Cargill. I'm really excited to see when she finally goes solo. Something bad's gonna happen. I actually have goosebumps. I know something bad is about to happen. My skin is standing on end. Ugh. This is a good horror game. This is really good at making me feel the thrills and chills. What if I just went and played fucking Resident Evil 0 on my Switch after this stream? Oh, that can't be right. Well, apparently it is. Now, I don't like this "you got the camera all wet" effect because we explicitly don't have a camera. Someone's gonna piss in the river that I'm in. Stop breathing. Stop breathing. Fuck. Goodness gracious. Yeah, get that water off my eyeballs. I don't think that's how it works. More bandages. Can't carry more bandages. I don't know how to carry more bandages.
Goddamn vultures. How many corpses did you pick over?
Give me my camera. Did they wipe it clean? Oh, what the hell?
I keep coming back earlier. What the fuck?
What the... Yeah, what the fuck is more like it. What the fuck? What the fuck? Cola! Drink it! Don't mind if I do.
Give me some ganja.
Cola. So now we're in the cafeteria. Breakfasts. Waffles, mini sausage biscuits, oatmeal with apple slices, scrambled eggs, toast with peanut butter. Okay, I won't read all this. But I could. They were eating good. You could get tortilla pizza. What is a Christian salad? What is a Christian salad? I like the Oreo Coke. Were you here? And I took a sip and I was like, wow, that's actually refreshing. I feel refreshed by that. Aha! Don't let me go. Oh, is it snowy outside? Okay. It is December in the 90s. Remember, I was talking to someone, they were like, remember snow? And it made me so depressed. Because it's true. Kind of figured they would be, but just wanted to check. Blake, when you get home... Oh. My hands are still crucified. And there's consistency, because there's still this hallway that's under construction. Now look at that mold. Whatever the hell that is. Oh, I hate it here. I hate it here. I actually hate it here. I hate it here. I hate it here. I didn't like school the first... Actually, I kind of did like school, but I don't want to go back. I'm not going to be one of those people that's like, oh, I hated school. I actually kind of like school. Suffer the children? Yeah. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Here's this guy's office again. This fucking computer. Oh, I can't get on it this time. Okay. I hate Elon Musk so much. There's a phone ringing. There's a phone ringing. How do I find where the ringing phone is coming from?
Is that a phone? Yeah.
Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that either! Oh, I'm not a fan of you. I don't want you to be anywhere near me. Leave me alone. I've actually kind of conditioned myself to it. Like, I'm doing all right. Now, where the fuck is that phone ringing from? Hello?
Hello? Hello? Oh, thank God you're alive. I need you to stay calm. We're going to get you help. We'll get you out of there.
You just hear them?
I want you to find a place to hide. Someplace safe where you can remember the taste of her kiss when you felt her neck break, you diseased cocksucker.
What? 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 Also, if you're talking about me kissing a woman, you shouldn't call me a cocksucker, but that's... Fuck. I'm not even scared anymore. Like, legitimately. Hello, Audra. How's it going? Because it's like, I really feel like I've conditioned myself to Blake's mental condition. It's just like, okay, well. Can't trust my own mind, huh? I'm a prisoner of my own thoughts. How relatable. I can't escape the trap my mind has created for myself. You know I gotta check all the doors. Just in case. Now, why? Why are you doing that? You didn't even give me a chance to run away. This... Okay, fine. Oh no, the door's all shut. Ugh. Okay, fine. You're gonna chase me again. Oh, we gotta run away from the creepy guy. Yeah, I know. The creepy guy's coming. Help. Wait. Fuck. And my hallucination is over.
Huh? I can still find my way to the mine.
Okay, I'm about halfway through this chapter. Ah! I'm in someone's Satan hut. Okay. Laird, there is nothing so wretched among the afflicted as self-pity, and I trust you not to allow your self-satisfaction in such a womanly sin.
Huh?
Is Laird a woman? Laird is a man's name. Is Laird also a woman's name? If the disciples I have entrusted you to lead are hungry and in pain and afraid, it's a necessity of their physical sin and the will of God. I send to you all the food and wine that God wants you to have and no more. I've had visions of this plague worsening, of all our suffering reaching a point at which none of us will be able to further endure. So rejoice. Take comfort that we will soon reach the center of this suffering and emerge into paradise everlasting. If you cannot control your people by your tongue, then do so by the fists of your mount. Papa loves you. God will deliver you. Noth. P.S. I've included a satchel of the salted crickets Nick so loves. Please see that he gets them and knows they're a gift from me. Okay, Papa Noth. Set us free.
This bed is disgusting.
Get me out of here. Paradise everlasting. That sounds nice. Ought to listen to this reasonable guy. Yeah, I think I'm gonna close this door. Yeah. No, I think I'm gonna fuck you! Fucking asshole. Fuck. Welcome, Rainbow Bridges. You missed us getting crucified. Yeah. Aha. All right. Oh, I thought there would be a... I can't close the window from the outside. Okay, let's get the hell out of here. To where? I don't know. Somewhere else. Sounds kinky. It wasn't. It wasn't kinky when it happened to Jesus, and it wasn't kinky when it happened to us. The way we got down was also not kinky. Especially because I had to participate. I did not want to. No no aftercare is a fucking understatement. Someone is shooting us with a bow and arrow. Someone direct. Ah! Well, I'm dead. How could they open the door? I closed it. They're not like the molded from Resident Evil. They won't just like...
I can still find my way to the mine.
Yeah. Okay, hop out of here. No, open the damn window, dude. I don't want to close it. Fuck. This game is all about... Oh. I hear him. Big old boots. Oh. I hear them because they're directly in front of me. Yeah. Come into the barbed wire, buddy. C-R-E-E-P. How are you doing, Rainbow Bridges? Let me shout you out. How's it been going? I owe you a text and a check-in. You don't see me. Hell yeah, little dude's down early. Has Genshin been treating you well? No batteries in here. Well. Ooh, how's Coral Island been? I've actually been wanting to get back into Pioneers of Olive Town. They're outside. You motherfucker! If I'm your messiah, why are you hunting me? It doesn't seem very logical, I have to admit. Ah, ow. You motherfuckers. Walk on the cliffside, bud. There we go. They've got terrible aim. Just bandage yourself up. Leave me be. Leave me be. Coral Island's been good. Been addicted. I've been playing Echoes of Wisdom a lot. Forgot to stream my pulls for new character and got 2 of copies for her in the same 10 pull. The one, like a character you really wanted. I think they're gone. I think they can't follow me. Yeah, whenever I see Coral Island, like I said, it makes me want to play Pioneers of Olive Town. They can shoot me. I have lots of bandages. Yeah. That's okay. I'll just bandage my arm. And then nothing bad will happen. I'm just like Ethan from Resident Evil. As long as I heal my 1 weak point, nothing bad happens to me. Yeah, let me be in the trenches here. Oh, God. It's not good down here in the how do they still shoot me? I'm behind these cactuses. You can't. I don't have any bandages left. Are you a person?
You ain't hurt none. Not in your soul. You ain't gonna enjoy.
Yeah. Are you gonna attack me? You piece of shit! Fuck off! Bro! I thought we were friends! I'm not even upset. I'm just disappointed. Neil sings it wrong. That's sweet. Oh, did I already get the bandage now? No. Okay, so I got healed. So I can still grab the bandage and then get the fuck out. Oh, this one too. Master D. Okay. Fish are friends, not those guys. Apparently not. I actually am not really big into Neil Young, but I am familiar with that song. And I remember the first time that I played a Harvest Moon game, which was A Wonderful Life, I would try to tell people, like, do you know Harvest Moon? And some people would be like, oh, you mean like the song? I was like 12 years old. I hate it out here. I fucking hate it out here, man. They're gonna shoot me again. What do I even do about that? Do I like baseball slide into every position? Love A Wonderful Life. Yeah, I streamed actually. I don't know. Should I put it on YouTube? I did stream Harvest Moon or Story of Seasons A Wonderful Life. I don't think I ever put it on YouTube. I streamed the first year of that game, and then I got married. Can you not? Can you actually fucking not? Oh, they're still hurting me. Okay. I don't even know where to go. Yeah. It's so annoying. I've been wanting to watch it. Okay, I'll put it up on YouTube. I will. Starting soon. Starting probably on Monday. It'll start going up on YouTube. I'm glad you told me because I've been not putting it up online. Oh, they stopped shooting me with arrows. They decided they're going to give me easy mode now. And now I'm stuck in barbed wire.
We have you. It's okay. Shh. We have you.
I like that when you die, sometimes they just give you easy mode.
Gospel isn't done yet.
Like, genuinely. Oh, don't put me in a...
We'll complete your gospel.
Is this the same monster from the school? No, it's not.
Yes. We return him to the way of sorrows.
These are people who are extremely sick. Kind of like in the newer Resident Evil games. They're not monsters, they're people who are they're infected with something. Can I get out of here?
Don't. Please.
Oh, they're burying me. Please. Yay! Well, we did it.
Oh, you crazy.
Oh, not being rude. How dare you?
Oh, God.
I don't know. I guess being buried alive would be pretty terrible because you'd just be down there waiting to die. That's pretty scary to think about, actually. Well, here we are down to the ground waiting to die. Now, when they said complete resurrection, are they gonna come dig us back up? Oh, they didn't do a very good job of burying us. Why are you even throwing a fit then, Blake? Come on, man. Get it together. Like, come on. Don't be so dramatic. You're fine. You got crucified. That was like mild in comparison. I'd rather get buried alive than crucified. That's for sure. What are you? Oh, there's a bunch of them. Should I be going the opposite direction? Hey, Gary. I'm gonna go ahead and say yes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, I had mail. This here's my brother, broken and killed by the tyrant Laird and his Mount Nick for wine he spilled because of his missing fingers and no real fault of his own. It is terrible, unjust, and I hope a merciful God treats him better. Stay away from me. Oh, that was a different gravesite. Here's the barbed wire that I fell into. How you doing, Gary? Let me film. Let me film. Don't hit me while I'm filming. Don't hit me while I'm filming. I'm filming. It's very important. It's very important. I'm filming. God damn it. I'm filming. I don't know where to go. Oh, yep, there's a body. I don't know where to go because the grave is open. Up here? Not up there. Okay. How's Atlas going? Haha. It's scary. It's scary. That's how it's going. It's scary and I need to heal myself. I need to find a place of safety and heal my damn self. Okay. They won't get me now. They won't get me now. They won't get me now. All right, time to check my
I can still find my way to the mine.
recordings. Memo to a corpse. Okay. Wait, where's the thing I filmed? Oh, the trap.
Pieces of my skin stuck in the barbs.
Oh, ew.
It was too late to hold her up.
What does that mean? It was too late to hold her up. What does that mean? What did he mean by that? Don't forget the paper. Oh, God, I'm not reading all this. Oh, I'm not reading all that. So scald means people who are sick. I'm not reading all this. You can read it on my screen. But this is like scripture for their cult. And a lot of them are sick with STDs. And they drink a lot of wine. So they're sick and they're addicted to alcohol. Wine and distilled liquor. And cow's milk. Excuse me. And they're predicting the Scald Messiah. So the prediction is, I, Laird, saw that he was lifted upon the cross and slain for those, and as he hangs, there will be an abundance, and they shall proclaim the glory of Laird. When he gives the ghost in his immaculate flesh, hangs dead upon the tree, they shall pull him free of the thorns and bury him on the earth. So Laird is trying to be a prophet for the Scald Messiah, who they claim is me. And they fed liquor, I hardly know. Thanks, Gary. Thanks for being here, I appreciate it. Did I shout you out? No. When's the next Gary stream? Get in there. So what's on page 4? How many? Okay, we're close to the end of this level. That's what I want. Trying not to worry about whatever the hell that is. But first, let's film. Filming is important. Hopefully this weekend. Nice. What's hopefully on deck?
She hanged herself before I could stop her. Or she didn't. No. Wait, not her. He... Fuck.
What is Blake remembering? What did Blake do? Blakey made a big mistakey. Can we not go through here? This feels like where we're supposed to go through. Can we hop the fence? How to scale? How to get through this fence? Aha! Touch the cactus. Super Mario Maker 2, Smash, and some other games. So not Mario 64 speedrun. That's okay.
The mine. That's gotta be it. How the fuck do I get down there?
Figure it out, Blake. Oh, check this shit out. Da 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 da. All while holding a camera. Unnecessary. Sorry I had to take the rope from off this pulley because I needed to climb to heaven. Haha. If that bloated Ezekiel won't give you no more rope, you can cut me down and take it back because I expect I'll be done with it. Oh. I get what they meant by climb to heaven. I get it now.
I can't.
I get it now.
A rope. I just need a rope.
Door's locked. Now, how do I get myself out of here? Aha. I'm not the Messiah. Please leave me out of this. I'm not the Messiah. I'm just Blake. Ain't no miracles gonna come from Blake, pal. I'm not Blake Christ. Get in that damn house. Shut the damn door. Oh. Are you gonna hurt me too? Yeah, okay. I thought I was safe. I was not. Hide. Shit, I didn't hide fast enough. Damn it. Leave me alone. I'll die. I'll die. What's up, Quay? Guess I'll die. Okay. Get this just to log it. There we go.
I'll die if I drop down that hatch.
We're almost through here.
Maybe there's a rope or something.
So what is this game about? I'm Blake, a cameraman, and I was going to report on a murder of a girl named Jessica who I went to elementary school with. And then our helicopter got shot down. We landed in this place that's run by a cult. And now the cult thinks that I am the Antichrist or some kind of Messiah. They're gonna break the door down. Yep. I need that rope. I need a way to get that rope.
Stain the old cross with your blood.
You don't need to stain anybody's cross. I'm just over here taking this person's rope. Oh, Blake. Just untie it. You weren't a Boy Scout? There's a body on that, genius.
Huh?
Anyway, so Blake's wife got kidnapped and also possibly abused by this cult. And now they think she's pregnant with the Antichrist, but they also think that I'm the Antichrist. So their religious beliefs are kind of a little esoteric. I don't really understand what they're doing over here in cult land, but they're all really sick. And not in like a cool, like, surfer way. In like...
Thanks.
They're really diseased. See? And not just that one because they're dead. Oh! Hide. Hide! His wife can, yeah, because she's a reporter and he's a cameraman. Now, I don't remember exactly where I'm trying to go. But I'm trying to avoid people with flashlights. No, not you. You don't see me. No, you actually didn't see me there. That's cheating. And I don't need to find bandages. Oh, Blake's wasted no time. He's like, I'm getting the fuck out of here. I didn't even do this. He's like, goodbye. Oh, there. Wow. Come on, Blake. Get down. Oh, the rope burns on that after being crucified.
Don't touch me. I said get your hands off me. Touch disgusts me out of you. Hey, hey,
What's happening?
No, no, goddamn you.
Why would they do that? Why would they do that? Why would they do that? Well, they just betrayed. I think that was Laird. 28.1% of players have this achievement. Well, that's that part of the game. Thanks everyone for being here. I appreciate it. Thank you, Angel. All right, let's see who we're gonna raid. Thank you to Kitten Tiramisu for the resub earlier. Oh, okay. Thanks for the resub earlier, Kitten.
Don't forget to click on my ads. Click on my ads. Click on my ads. Click on my ads. Click on my ads.
I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna do my best to whoever. Oh, Audra. Okay, this one's for Audra. It's kind of hard to. Yeah, you can still see it. There you go. There you go. There's my flex. I started going back to the gym this week, so my flexes are gonna get bigger. Welcome, M. That was stressful. Damn, son. Where'd you find this? Is the internet still being funky sometimes? Not here. Trying to find out who we're gonna raid. Thanks to everyone who was here. Okay, Kitten. I remember the power kept going out when you and Max were both playing. You're thinking of someone else. I do want to shout out. This is the Misfits, Gary. I also want to shout out Autumn Court Faye for the raid earlier. Believe it or not, this is going to be my last stream for the week. 2 and done. It's going to be 2 streams mostly for most of the month. And I'm going to try to add daytime streams in somewhere just because... I don't know. What? Are you delusional? I don't play with anyone named Max. You've got to be thinking of someone else. So the schedule's gonna be 2 nighttime streams, and I don't know about daytime streams. I'll figure that out. Oh, Maxine! Oh my God! Oh, that was ages ago that the power went out. Okay. Oh my God. No one says Max. That's why I was so confused. That's why I was so fucking confused, okay? Yeah, the power used to go out. The power hasn't gone out in quite a while. Thank you for asking. Oh my God. That was a while ago, okay? I was confused. Allow me to be confused. Thanks to everyone for being here. Let me know if you're streaming this weekend. I will be back on Marsh Monday with more guitar streams. No, listen, I fully admitted I was confused. Who are we going to raid? Excuse me. Marsh Monday. Yeah, I want to figure out, like I said, my stream schedule, because I like streaming more than 2 times a week, but right now, that is what we're at. And I try to do longer streams now. I mean, my guitar stream on Monday was fucking 4 hours. Can you believe that? But I hope you can also understand that after 3.5 hours of doing whatever the hell that was, I now need a break from doing whatever the hell that was. Who are we gonna raid? My sense of time is fucked up, so I think things like happened a couple months ago was actually a year. Yeah. I was like, that might have happened in the summertime. So you might be right, but even then, it's like, not recent to me. Okay, so we've got a few candidates for rating. Literally. Oh, you know what? I forgot I have a Discord, and the Discord has a channel of people who are going live. We gotta do it before this song ends. Do. And no one in my Discord is streaming right now. Exclamation point socials for the socials, including the Discord channel. Again, let me know if you're streaming this weekend. I think we're gonna raid Kia Pia, because we haven't raided her in a while. I didn't forget I had a Discord. Oh, I didn't mean to If you're sub-copy this to your clipboard, please stick around for the raid, my god. Join the socials. Hey, starting on Monday, my playthrough of Harvest Moon, or Story of Seasons, I should say. Story of Seasons, A Wonderful Life, is gonna start going up on the YouTube channel. Scuffed. Yeah, let's get out of here. Thanks everyone for being here. I appreciate it. Thanks for stopping in. Thanks for sticking around. Yippee! There you go, youtube.com/@itsthemarsh. Very easy to find. We're raiding into Kia Pia. Yes, I will be back on Marsh Monday with more guitar. And then I'll be playing more Outlast next week as well. Either Wednesday or Thursday, or maybe both. I'll let you know. Thanks so much for sticking around. I appreciate seeing you. And I'll see you next time on the Marsh stream. Oh, hold on. It says this channel has follower or subscriber only chat. But that's not what it's showing as for me. But that's because I follow and subscribe. We're gonna raid into Kia Pia anyway. And if you want to chat with her, you can follow the channel. She's a great streamer. Of course, the Monster Mash. Happy Halloween. I'll see you in your streams. Okay, here we go. We'll do the scene. I'll see you on Discord. I'll see you on YouTube. I'll see you in your streams, and I'll see you next time on the March stream.
It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash. They did the monster mash. The zombies were having fun. The party had just begun. The guests included Wolfman, Dracula, and his son.